Hi, this is Shivesh. I am the CPTO and co-founder of DataInfa. Uh, we have been a boutique firm in data management space. What we are doing is solving critical data challenges. With the AI boom happening, one thing everyone has understand that for AI to be successful, you need to give your data right? And that's where we come into the play. We ensure that your data is managed, governed, and the quality is right on the mark so that you get best ROI of your AI journey. Right. So we have started our operations from India, but lately we have expanded our market to the other continent. Currently, we are present at multiple geographies. We are catering to Middle East, to the APJ region, to the US region, and that's where we are going globally. We have understood that either it is a local firm or a global firm, data will remain their critical businesses. That's why we are able to expand horizontally and vertically both in this space. Yeah, it's a great platform. First of all, to be seized. First of all, to be with Forbes recognized here is a great validation of what we are doing. With DGMs and the other co-members who are part of it, we know that we can coexist together and we can bring value together. This platform gives us that opportunity to work together and to expand together. This is a very cohort kind of program which helps a close group of members. That's where each one of us will help each other and grow towards this community. Thank you. Thank you.